Reflex design, which routes the bass frequencies through a separate tube to give much lower distortion, richer, fuller sound to the audio. And as far as we know, it's the first bass reflex design integrated into a mobile product. Generally, those bass reflex designs are in high-end home theater systems. But we found that this is, more premium audio than pretty much any tablet, smartphone, or even laptop on the market. And you get a very rich, high-quality audio experience for games, music, and movies. And while this is built to be a dedicated gaming device, it's also great just to sit around